Hey everyone, welcome back to Bigleprachaun Bowling. I'm on my way to pick up my buddy Jason for Tuesday morning league. I'd like to give a shout out to Kyle Sherman for winning his first singles title last night on the Cheetah Championship. Congrats, Kyle, you deserve it. And I'll get back to you guys later after Tuesday morning league's over. See you later. just finished Tuesday morning league. Had a good morning. Had 702. Correction, I had 706. I went 235, 269, 202. Had to shoot the last 4 in the third game and shoot 7. Threw the choice bar all morning. So I'll see you guys later tonight for Tuesday night. Hey everyone, I just finished Tuesday Night League. Struggled this week. I had games of 183, 213, 193. The lanes were a little weird. I started out with the choice Pearl, and it just seemed like the outsides were a little wet. So it would just hang out there, then come up, lift me a couple single pins. Switched to the Intel. Seemed to work. I was heavy one shot 213. Was fine, and then I go game 3 to where if I got out too soon, it jumped, went left. If I had it inside, it just kind of skidded. Seemed like a lot of over-under. Didn't want to switch balls again, but I feel like after game 1, I sort of switched to double cross instead of the Intel and just bumped right and just played down and in. I ended up shooting 589 for tonight. I'll take that for struggling and stuff like that, and then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow for Wednesday Night League. Good night.
As far right as possible. Trust me. I'll pull the ball by the right.
His thing's too high. His camera's too high.
Yeah, that's how my sister was.
Get done again.
You're volunteering. Especially when she's very bad. How long did she go off?
Come on, Wendell. Guys at Match Pick.
Do you think Rusty's common sense and wet cloth to the top of his head?
That was close.
You know, if I listen to you in the Summer Night Sports Shot League and you listen to me, we could probably dummy.
I know.
I knew there was something I forgot.
Give your kid away already.
I knew there was something I needed to do this.
Felmo's throwing a trend. 2.
It's over for him.
Yeah, he's done.
Yeah. He's done.
Sterner's done.
2-4.
There you go,
My
Wade.
Trailblazer threw that.
There's absolutely no way that main 3 pins are set up. They have to be all fixed.
How did they count 8? How did they count 8 there?
Did he spare it?
No, Ken's first shot. How did they count 8 there?
Pin in the first, maybe? Ball's coming up light now.
That came out.
Did you throw that good? It helps it from falling off your hand. That's the big problem. That's the big thing with using your thumb. Two-handed. Come on.
They've either been 10 pins, I think it's 3 pins, one, 4
You threw it 15-6, if that.
Hey everybody, just finished the Wednesday Night League. I shot games of 149, 241, 276. Started out with the Intel, switched to double cross. Had the front 9 the last game. Shot 666. And I'd like to give a shout out to the house. One of the guys from the house is Kevin Williams. He's sitting first seed in the Shark Championship tonight. So I'm rooting for him. So don't forget to go like and follow like and subscribe to their page, the House Bowling. Don't forget about the Hack House Bowling. Thanks. And then also don't forget to subscribe to Brad and Kyle's channel, all that. Don't forget to subscribe to mine. And then I'll see you guys next week for the next episode. Hey guys, I just got home from Wednesday Night League. I'm watching the end of the Shark Championship. Kevin Williams from House Bowling had the first 2 in the 10th. He has to get a 9 count to win this match by 1 to win his first singles championship. Come on, Kevin, take your time. Come on, come on. Yes.